For thousands of years before refined sugar became common, one golden gift from nature quietly supported human health: honey. Carefully created by bees from flower nectar, honey is shaped by thyme, plants, and natural enzymes, making every drop unique in color, aroma, and taste. In traditional wisdom, especially Ayurveda, honey, known as madhu, was valued not just as a sweetener, but as a balancing food traditionally associated with supporting digestion, or agni, when used in small amounts. One important rule was always followed: honey was never heated, but gently added to warm drinks or foods. Modern research shows that raw honey contains natural sugars, polyphenols, and flavonoids, which may support antioxidant activity in the body. Honey's soothing texture may also help calm throat irritation and seasonal discomfort when taken mindfully. It may support gut health as well by acting as a gentle prebiotic, though it remains a form of sugar and should always be used in moderation. Simple daily uses include mixing half a teaspoon of raw honey into lukewarm water, using it as a natural sweetener for yogurt or oats, or taking a small spoon slowly to comfort the throat. Honey is not suitable for infants under 1 year of age, but for adults, mindful use is key. Honey reminds us that true wellness doesn't come from quick fixes. It grows slowly, gently, and naturally, just like the golden sweetness created by bees and flowers over time.